Man, that's what's up, Reggie, man. Thank you, man, brother, for sharing that extremely valuable information.
Yes, sir.
Hey, because we need to know about these things. We hear about a lot of rumors, and some people out here hurting, and they don't understand that there are very real and accessible, and it sounds like even easily accessible sources of cash relief, as they say, right now for you and your business. So, definitely take a look into these programs that Brother Reggie here was talking about. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up today, though, man, because we had the Queen of Credit Repair on there dropping all of that heat, bringing all that credit repair knowledge for us, and Reggie followed up. brought the big follow up, telling us how to get a hold of that big money. You know what I'm saying? We love that. And and I just want to let you guys know, we're gonna continue to bring you more information on how you can be successful out here, how you can take advantage of different opportunities that exist right now for us. You know what I'm saying? And I want to thank Brother Reggie here. Do you got something you want to say before we get up out of here, Reggie? I'm not going to jump up off of here. Go on and say something right quick if you got something on your mind, brother.
Well, no, many hands make for light work. We're always happy and appreciative to Real Estate Heat TV. It's a cutting edge program. And we're always happy to be on it because, Anthony, you're really, really using a stream of communication to go directly to underserved people who can use this information to go from being borrowers to lenders, renters to owners, and we're just really happy that you have this life-changing platform that's really providing information to help a lot of people who would otherwise do very well. They just need the information. So I just wanted to thank you for a change, for having us on here with this really powerful medium. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Reggie. Thank you so much, my brother. I greatly appreciate you. We're going to go on and wrap it up, end it on that note here. This is Real Estate Coach Anthony Legins, Real Estate TV, How to Buy the Hood, special guest Anika and Reggie Davidson up in the house. We'll catch you next time. Peace.